Well, this is a huge change to the way the NHS works in England. Keir Starmer said today that he wants to change the way that government works, and part of that involves scrapping what he called the world's biggest quango. He told me he'd been quite reflective during his first 8 months in office and had concluded there were just too many arm's-length bodies getting in the way of government making quick and effective decisions. One of his advisors was just telling me that he came to this realisation that in his view there was too much duplication between NHS England and the Department for Health and Social Care. So he's taken the decision to merge those two bodies. He argues this will make the NHS more democratic, more accountable, and will put more money for frontline services.
I don't see why decisions about £200 billion of taxpayer money on something as fundamental to our security as the NHS should be taken by an arm's-length body, NHS England. And I can't, in all honesty, explain to the British people why they should spend their money on two layers of bureaucracy. That money could and should be spent on nurses, doctors, operation, GP appointments. So today I can announce we're going to cut bureaucracy across the state, focus government on the priorities of working people, shift money to the front line. So I'm bringing management of the NHS back into democratic control by abolishing the arm's-length body NHS England. That will put the NHS back at the heart of government where it belongs, freeing it to focus on patients, less bureaucracy, with more money for nurses, an NHS refocused on cutting waiting times at your hospital.
Well, this move will undo many of the changes led by former Health Secretary Andrew Lansley under the coalition government. Clearly, there will be many staff at NHS England worried about what this means for them. There are thousands of people who work there. We just don't know the details yet. The Health Secretary, Wes Streeting, is updating MPs now, and he will update NHS England staff on Monday. But Keir Starmer says that there are always consequences to decisions, and he's not prepared, he says, to duck difficult decisions any longer.